Hey y'all! This is Nina Stevens and I'm in the South where sushi is still called bait. So, what am I doing today? Today, I have another beehive. So, yeah, I am suiting up. To go and get some more bees. Lovely stuff that I'm doing. My daughter and my grandboys are here, and they're going to stay here, and I'm going to go get the bees by myself. And I'm already hot, but I'm drinking liquids. I should have got her smaller size, but you know what? It's okay. It's okay. It's too big. But hey, it is what it is. Alright, I'll bring you back. Alright, I'm at the location. And it's kind of weird on this one. Because I'll talk to y'all while I'm zipping up. About 15 years ago, I guess, this was my house. Yep. Kind of crazy. The water company called and gave me the address. And I was like, you're kidding, right? Hang on, I got somebody coming on a lawnmower. He's just driving down the road on a lawnmower. Good grief. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, that's why I had to move out of this place. A single woman in this area, not a good thing. Can I just tell you? So I'm trying to get a move on it because it's almost dark. I waited as late as I could to do this because of the heat. But I'm getting my gloves on now, and I'll show you what used to be my house. It doesn't look like it did when I had it though, because everything's all growed up. And back then I wasn't into bees, and the only thing I did was paint. So I had a lot of time. I didn't even have a garden. So I had a lot of time to cut grass and manicure the lawn and all that kind of stuff. I don't have time to do that now. But I'll show you what used to be mine. It's not mine anymore. This place over here is not a good area. And you know, won't nobody mess with me in a bee suit. Funny as heck. Anyway, let me show you. Alright, so pardon the wiggle. Alright. Hang on, I got some ass hattery going on. You got bees in your meter?
No, it's at a house. It's like in a service. It's like in the front of the it's like a, you know how you put the trailer up to a truck? It's like it's on that part.
Okay, well I can't do that, sweetheart. Okay. The only thing I do is water meters.
Okay, all right. Thank you.
Yeah, you might contact, look on Facebook for the Bee Association in Ruston.
Yes,
and they have people that can do that, but I can't physically do it.
Okay, okay.
Yep.
All right, thank you.
Okay. Yeah, no, that's not happening. Bees in a wall. Need to be cut out. No. I don't do that. Anyway, there's the meter. So I'm going to jerk that meter out of there and put it in a nuke and get on out of here. But yeah, that used to be mine back in the day, long time ago. As a matter of fact, I got a picture of my little three-legged dog Daisy standing right there on that front porch. Yep. But it's all growed up nasty looking now, so. Yep, but that's what I'm working on. So let me get to it. And we'll see what we pull out of there. Okay, so this one wasn't a good hive. it was all attached to the side of the meter instead of the water meter lid. So they probably will not make it, but that's okay. I still got them out of there, and if I can find the queen, then that would be good. I don't think they're going to make it, but I'm fixing to get out of here because I am freaking hot, and I don't want Backwoods Law and FLP to come at me with some 16 gauge needles, so I'm going to go get me something cold to drink. You know, and a lot of times it's not all success. A lot of times the hives that I get from the water meters don't make it. And this is going to be one I doubt very seriously that they make it. First of all, because the comb all broke off and there's not very many bees in there. So they're not a very strong hive. But you can't have all good. You got to take the bad with the good. You know what I'm saying? I mean, if they don't make it, that's okay. I still attempted. And, you know, a lot of times, if you only show your successes, then you're not really a real person, because everybody has failures. And I'm not ashamed to show the things that I do that do not work, and the things that I do that don't succeed. I feel like this is going to be one of them, but that's okay. I gave it a shot still. And if you don't give it a shot, you don't know. You know what I'm saying? So, I hope you enjoy coming along with me even on the bad times. The ones that are not so good, not so perfect. Thought I had a bee. That would be bad. Anyway, I'm fixing to get out of here and go get me something cool to drink. Try to cool off. So, I hope you enjoyed coming along with me, and that's it for me. And until next time, I'll see you later.